Hi, this is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to properly pack and ship your laptop. This is very important and you need to make sure that it's packaged properly using the proper packing materials. These type of laptop boxes can be purchased from FedEx or UPS. These type of boxes are made to properly pack your laptop. This particular one uses a film that you'll slide your laptop into. This holds it securely in place for the shipment. So now the laptop is securely in place. And now on the side, you just place your power supply. Close the box up. Shipping label, and that's it. I hope this video has helped you. It is very important to properly pack your laptop. So, this is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com.